Here we go, first video on the new channel, and we're going to review the Shell multi-tool pliers. So I'm going, oh, what? Hold up. I had already got it out yesterday and not put it back in, so let's have a quick look. Here it is. I think it was about £20, and I've got to say that feels pretty solid. I've had these before, the cheap ones like the stocking filler classics, and they're so flimsy they just aren't great, but that's a pretty good set of pliers. It's got kind of scissors there, look really blunt, but they seem to be changeable, which is interesting. The main reason I got this particular model was because it has the bit holder on it and a selection, and you know, basically as long as you've got that, you've got every screwdriver you could possibly need. You just get different bits, but annoyingly it's got quite a deep channel in it. So I did try it yesterday with some other normal length bits, and they sort of disappear and have a little bit hanging out the end. So I don't know how I can resolve that. I suppose I could put something in there, but for the time being it'll do. I mean, it's got the little, comes with the little star driver, which is pretty handy. Clip something like that. So this I've ordered for my fishing trip. That's coming up soon. Oh, scissors. It's handy. How do I get rid of that? What was it? Oh, it's like that, wasn't it? Okay, yeah. It's got all the usual junk, bottle opener and all of that, and I thought what would be handy would be, I'm not a professional fisherman. I'm going fishing in Norway on my 40th birthday, and I needed some tools, taking my suitcase. It's got black knife, razor sharp. Hate knives. Try to avoid using them if need be because I've not got a great record with them. A serrated blade, not really sure what that one's for, but there's also a file. I'm sure there was a saw blade. And a saw blade comes in surprisingly handy when you're out camping and doing all that sort of fun stuff. So that comes in that little case. Okay, so that must go in there. So annoyingly, it comes with this, which I saw online years ago. So that goes in there. Ooh. And basically that then fits any nut up to that size, which is 19mm. I haven't got any here to test, but that's pretty cool. But just annoyingly, you can't put it anywhere. But hey, it's going to do the trick. So this is my fishing gear that I got in Norway last time I went. And that can live in there. Oh. And then I'll take one of them out. Yeah, that'll all fit nicely. Oh look, still got room. Brilliant. So there you go, that's the first video for my new channel. In transit, this one's called, because I'm currently doing up my Trans custom van, turning it into a camper. So there's a review of the Shell multi-tool pliers 18-in-1. There's a couple of different variations on it, I think. I don't know what they were, but as far as I'm concerned, well worth the money. Much more affordable than a Leatherman.